Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Throttle Grotto. So this week I'm at SEMA, and I wanted to depart a little bit from the norm and talk to you guys about tools. And there's some really neat tools at this show, and there's one in particular that I really want to show you. Tools, they do wrenches, ratchets, sockets, impact tools, electric impact, air impact, gear drive. They really are a full range tool provider. Everything down to their own toolboxes. And one thing that I'm really jealous about is how well their drawers are organized. I wish, you guys know that you guys have watched me quite a bit. My toolbox is a mess. I need to fix that. But these foam cutouts are awesome. I really like how these foam cutouts are actually line up all the wrenches in the drawers. Man, this is nice. Looking at your drawer at like one shot, and everything's neat and organized. So the one tool I wanted to show you guys is really cool because it allows you to do precision torquing. So not twerking, not precision twerking, but precision torquing. And if you do cylinder heads on Volkswagen, like you guys know, the 30, 45, and then 2/4 turns. And this tool totally takes the guesswork out of doing that process. And it applies to a lot of other processes too. If you want to make sure that all your stretch bolts are torqued properly, this is the tool to get, guaranteed. All right, so I have a special guest on the episode today, and here he is. His name's Kyle, and he's another YouTuber. His channel is the Rustbelt Mechanic, and you guys should check it out if you really love tools. So,
what's
Kyle,
happening? Yeah, thanks for having me on today.
Yeah.
So enjoying SEMA, it's kind of an overwhelming experience. This is my first time here, so it's kind of crazy being able to see some things, but we got some really cool things here. I work with SP Tools a lot. They're an amazing company, just kind of coming into the US right now. They're really big over in Australia, but coming into the US market, they're doing a really good job at it. And we've got a couple of things here to be able to show you on what kind of tools that they really have to bring to the market that are really great deals, and they work really well. First one we have here, we've got their SP Tools half-inch impact wrench, or I'm sorry, half-inch electric torque wrench. It is ratcheting, flex head design, half-inch up through 250 foot-pounds. And this doesn't only do the torque, it also does torque angle. Now, if you guys do torque angle on a lot of these newer engines, you know that you have like 90 degrees plus, so almost 130 degrees of torque angle that you have to reach on these engines. So we're going to do a little bit of a demonstration here and do a reset here on the tool, show exactly how we work. We've got this thing getting calibrated right now, and we've got it set to 6 degrees, and we're using a really big nut, so we can show you guys exactly how this one works. So we've got 3 degrees of angle. We can ratchet it back, and then we can put pressure on it again to go to our full 6. Obviously, when you're going with those other head bolts and styles, it's going to go like 130 degrees, and that one you're able to ratchet all the way back and forth as many times as you need to, as long as you don't let the tool sit for more than 10 seconds to reset the value. They do also have a 3/8 version of it available over on that site. It's also up through 100 foot-pounds on the 3/8 version. So pretty cool tools. Also like 30% less than the Snap-on Tech Angle. So they're pretty awesome. You can go check those out over at sptoolsusa.com.
all right, so that is like literally a subject matter expert talking about a really rad tool. So if you guys need a really good torque wrench, check out SP Tools USA. Check out Kyle's channel, Rustbelt Mechanic. I'll put a link below so you guys can go get some really good information on some awesome tools that he knows way more about than I do. So Kyle, thanks a lot for being on.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
All right.
Take it easy.
And until next time, get out there and work on something.